Primary school teachers, are you ready for Children's Mental Health Week? Don't stress. A-Life's Children's Mental Health Power Pack has everything you need. Engaging, ready-to-go videos with accompanying worksheets and posters that will save every teacher at your school hours of planning. Covers loads of curriculum and is all done for you. Plus, the easy-to-use clickable calendar shows you exactly which resources to use each day for each age range. Join the thousands of schools who've trusted A-Life over the past 20 years and make this Children's Mental Health Week the easiest and most impactful one yet. PS, as an extra bonus, you also get access to the whole of the A-Life online library with a wide range of brain breaks and PSHE lesson boosts. Get started or find out more at a-life.co.uk.